Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Welcome. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing from this brand called Wellamar. I think that's how you say it. So if you guys want to see what I got, then keep watching. Wellamar is a health and wellness brand, and they make vitamins and oils that you can put on your body or oils that you can ingest, and they use a seed called, I'm looking at the box, Amaranth, I think that's how you say it, and that's what all their products are made with. This is everything that is inside. We have 3 vitamins and then 2 types of oils. First up, we have their Bloom gummies, and these have collagen in them. Collagen is great for literally everything in your body. It's good for your hair, your skin, the elasticity of your skin, your nails, I don't know if I said nails, your muscles, your joints, everything. I literally swear by collagen. Next up is their Nourish oil. Again, I'm reading from the little booklet that they gave me, but this is what you can ingest. You put this in a little drop in water, and it is good for digestive functions, cardiovascular health, boosting your metabolism, cognitive function, and improving your hair, nails, and skin. Next up, we have the Pure Gummy Vitamin. This is green apple flavor, and I forgot to mention the collagen one is raspberry flavor, so I'm excited for these. I love green apple flavored things. But like the oil I just mentioned, this is great for cognitive health, your overall health and well-being, improving your digestive system, and stimulates a natural metabolism. Next up, we have their Glow oil. This can be used on your skin or on your scalp for your hair. This has intense hydration and anti-inflammatory benefits to reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and any other signs of aging. If you want to use this on your scalp, this can help give you healthy, strong, lustrous hair. And last, we have their Revive gummies. These are blueberry flavored. This is good for immune support, good to build and repair muscles, maintain and build strong bones, and just supports your overall health. Thank you so much, Wellamar, for sending me all these goodies. I am so excited to try them. If you guys want to try them out, they will be linked down below in the description box. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always down below. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.